Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to install a cooker tap. Firstly, turn off the water supply and electricity. Ensure you have enough space under the sink for the cooker tank. Drill a 35mm hole in the sink if needed and insert the tap through the hole and secure it with provided nut from underneath. Position the cooker tank under the sink and connect the cold water feed to the inlet of the cooker system. Attach the tap hose to the tank's outlet and fit the pressure relief valve to the tank. If using a cooker combi, connect the hot water supply. Now, plug in the cooker tank and switch it on. Wait for 10 or 15 minutes for it to heat up and test the tap by pressing the turning handle for boiling water. And done. Enjoy instant boiling water. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.